So here we are showing you the floor system. So the antenna is mounted under the floor. It will detect the big tag at a height about 1.6 meters. Here, this is the antenna for the door frame. The antenna easy to mount on the door frame and will not affect your floor. You don't have to destroy the floor or make some bolts on the floor. So it's mounted on the door frame. Both of these antennas controlled by one control box. One control box can connect 3 units of antenna. Now we are showing the alarm of the door frame antenna.